Hi! In front of me is Vivo V15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Magic Fluids from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. If you want to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Settings next to Apply. Now, after selecting I accept in First Things First pop-up, adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back, tap on Apply and select the best option for you. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I click and go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!